Always hydrate. I had this idea back in college for a game show, but now I'm going to turn it into just a web series. So the idea stemmed from, I swore up and down that I could tell the difference between 1% milk, 2% milk, and skim milk. And I was positive that I could do it. But then I started thinking, can you tell the difference just by taste of 3 different things, 3 different brands? But what I really want to do is I want to take it a step further and find people that think that they just know a brand. Like, they're like, I know Pepsi no matter what. Like, I can taste Pepsi out of an entire line of pops. And I don't think you can. I think if I put Pepsi, Coca-Cola, and like RC Cola in front of you, and you drink all 3 of them, no labels, just in a cup, you drink 1, 2, 3, I don't think that you can figure out which one is which brand, let alone figure out which one is Pepsi. So I'm going to start inviting people onto this channel, and I'm going to test them on things that they think that they know, brands that they think that they know. And I'm going to go with the title Off-Brand. So for our first contestant, I reached out to my pal Reese over with Dashing Agent. He also has a YouTube channel, and that information will be in the description below. So now I'm going to go get the pop, because I'm in Pittsburgh and that's what we call it here. Not soda pop, not soda, it's pop. Tell me otherwise, I don't care. I'm going to say pop because that's what sounds best. And then I'm going to have Reese come over and I'm going to have him see if he can figure out which brand is which. Oh, you see my puppies in the background. Hello, puppies. This one's Izzy. And this one is Toby. He's heavier. I also have to make a prize. And I'm not really sure what that's going to be quite yet. So I'm going to kind of come up with an idea to make something that's a little bit more tangible. But I want it to live on from contestant to contestant. So if they get it, they have to come back. And then they can even compete against the next person that I have. I'm sorry, my dogs are loud. What I've come up with is a glass milk bottle that I will spray paint gold, metallic gold, and they'll get that and they'll get to take it home. So what I'm figuring is the smart thing to do here is to take the cap off and put a pole up through it, hang it like this, so that I can then spray paint everything while it's on a pole. Back inside, I went to spray. I put the bottle on the pole. I was ready to spray paint it, and I took the cap off of the spray paint, and there's no spray part to make it spray. So I have to go buy another can of spray paint now. Okay, I got new spray paint, and it actually has a cap. So now we can paint. It started snowing like crazy outside, so now I gotta save the trophy. I'm coming for you, trophy. You dry yet? It's pretty dry. Whew. I finished the trophy for Off-Brand. I just finished letting it dry. It looks absolutely gorgeous. So now the only thing left to do is get Reese over here and start his episode, the premiere episode of Off-Brand. See you next time.